it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, my JAMAICA'S? Get here with another reaction. Move. Hey, guys, today we are with Eddy, Bomba, yeah, man, and Countree hype with Dunce, man. Yes, big up yourself, Countree. Big up yourself, with G. Could jump in the one on here where Eddy has said, man, let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Countree hype music.
Countree. Golf. Yes side. Me done and me mean it. Me heart cold, me lungs all I feel it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it. Me just call a genie, yeah. Pull up and fuck up the scenery. Got them on your knees, bitch.
Yo, the youth style just unorthodox, bro. Him style just different. Big up yourself, Eddy.
Countree hype music.
Big up yourself, Eddy.
Countree.
Don't say me mean it.
Golf. Yes side.
Ready again, me G.
Me done
Don't say
and
me
me
mean
mean
it.
it. Me heart cold, me lungs all I feel it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it.
Man say my heart cold, my lungs all I feel it. Yeah, if your heart cold and your lungs I feel it, you're cold.
Me heart cold, me lungs all I feel it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it.
Can't believe it.
Me just call a genie, yeah. Pull up and fuck up the scenery. Got them on your knees, bitch, suck off the penis. Me fuck up the leads, I'ma fuck up the feature. Valiant, Mosala, Premi. We not give one fuck the Glock chip and
Valiant a prayer. Why you fuck up the feature? Which feature you fuck up?
on your knees, bitch, suck off the penis. Me fuck up the leads, I'ma fuck up the feature.
Yeah.
Valiant, Mosala, Premi. We not give one fuck the Glock chip and tuck. And we don't fuck around that.
We don't give and fuck the glab chip. I don't know. Oh, Eddy catch the rhythm sometime, but like it's like he miss it on purpose and catch it back. It baffles me, bro. It has to be studied. Watch about that.
We not give one fuck the Glock chip.
We not give one fuck. That offbeat, you know. But him catch it back, you know. Watch out.
Valiant, Mosala,
Hear me.
Premi.
Listen.
We don't give one fuck the Glock chip and tuck. And we don't fuck around Douglas and
Sometimes you say, yo, what was that? Then what do you hear? You say, oh shit, I see what he did there. Yo, the man go off beat and then catch it back on beat on purpose. In a most times, let him do it.
we don't give one fuck the Glock chip and tuck. And we don't fuck around Douglas and a rip and run. You feel me can trust me, I'm a nigga Croft. We love lick and gun, light a spliff and puff. Me tell you,
Man say me, I'm a nigga Croft. Man say me, I'm a nigga and Croft. Is that Asian missing that
feel
video?
me can trust me, I'm a nigga Croft. We love
Asian test.
lick and gun, light a spliff and puff. Me tell you wrist and walk, me never wish and luck. Just crack a skull, all the pickaxe stuck. Take a brick and
Man say me just crack a skull, all the pickaxe stuck. Blood clot, in a head. Room. Yo! Room in a head, man. All the pickaxe stuck. Blood clot, lodge. It lodge in a head.
Golf. Yes side.
Again.
Me done and me
Mean
mean
it.
it. Me heart cold, me lungs all I
Feel
feel
it.
it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it. Me just call a genie, yeah. Pull up and fuck up the scenery. Got them on your knees, bitch, suck off the penis. Me fuck up the leads, I'ma fuck up the feature.
Yeah.
Valiant, Mosala,
Premi.
Premi. We not give one fuck the Glock chip and tuck. And we don't fuck around Douglas and a rip and run. You feel me can trust me, I'm a nigga Croft. We love lick and gun, light a spliff and puff. Me tell the wrist and walk, me never wish and luck. Just crack a skull, all the pickaxe stuck. Take a brick and bust, she's like a dick and suck. Left her in a dust, you know me drift and chuck. Me done and me mean it. Me heart cold, me lungs all I feel it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it. Me just call a genie, yeah. Pull up and fuck up the scenery. Go down for your knees, bitch, suck off the penis. Me fuck up the leads, I'ma fuck up the feature. Valiant, masala premium.
Second
Make
verse.
a million now, make a million more. My 4 pocket fat like a pig and boar. My brain sick and sore.
My 4 pocket fat like a pig and boar. Pig and boar, I the same thing, you know, but him just use it in a different way. Pig and boar, I the same family, I the same thing. Boar hog, pig, same thing.
Feature, Valiant, masala premium. Make a million now, make a million more. My 4 pocket fat like a pig and boar. My brain sick and sore, the any sip and stone. The be my lift and float, me nearly kill one goat. Lift and phone. Make a million more, my 4 pocket fat like a pig and boar. My brain sick and sore, the any sip and stone. The
My brain sick and sore, the any sip and stone, any sip and ice, any sip and rock, yes.
4 pocket fat like a pig and boar. My brain sick and sore, the any sip and stone. The be my lift and float, me nearly kill one goat.
It be my lift and float, me nearly kill one goat. At least on the police, I lick down a ground. At least on the police, they on the ground, him nearly kill. At least I goat this time.
My brain sick and sore, the any sip and stone. The be my lift and float, me nearly kill one goat. Lift and phone. Switch one tone, Mocha wish and hope the judge see me a court.
Mocha wish and hope so them can get me for something for put me in front of the judge. Make the judge can see me. That now go happen to them, Mocha. Me too bad. That's how the judge said, not me.
Lift one phone, switch one tone, Mocha wish and hope the judge see me a court. Still there road, me slip red and soap. Eddy G rich man have to sing one show.
Yo, the man say him slippery like soap. The man say, yo, him rich. Him not have to sing pan show, dog. Him not have to do show. Him not have to do music. Him a tell you, say him rich long time.
Still there road, me slip red and soap. Eddy G rich man have to sing one show. Me Dunce and me mean it. Me heart cold, me lungs all I feel it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it. Me just call a genie, yeah. Pull up and fuck up the scenery. Go down for your knees, bitch, suck off the penis. Me fuck up the...
Can I just say, me like that little video right here. So big up the video personnel. I don't know how to do it yet, but big up them. I like the fact that they incorporate that the video to get a different angle. Like it.
Beats, I'ma fuck up the feature. Valiant, masala premium. We no give one fuck the Glock chip and tuck. And we don't fuck around Douglas and a rip and run. You feel me can trust me and me nigga Cruff. We love lick and gun, light a spliff and puff. Me tell the wrist and walk, me never wish and luck. Just crack a skull and the pickaxe stuck. Take a brick and bust, she take a dick and suck. Left
a brick and bust.
Just crack a skull and the pickaxe stuck. Take a brick and bust, she take a dick and suck.
Take a brick and bust. She take a dick and suck.
Just crack a skull and the pickaxe stuck. Take a brick and bust, she take a dick and suck. Left her in a dust, you know me drift and chuck. Me Dunce and me mean it. Me heart cold, me lungs all I feel it. Skull on the phone, me just can't believe it. Me just call a genie, yeah. Pull up and fuck up the scenery. Go down for your knees, bitch, suck off the penis. Me fuck up the leads, I'ma fuck up the feature. Valiant, masala premium. That's before I'm puff.
Is this Asian? Just want to make sure.
Gun, light that's before.
That's Asian. Yeah, definitely Asian. Pretty sure that's Asian. Anyway, back to it. Just do want to make sure it's Asian, me see. Alright, so credit now. Credit. Directed by, yes, Brownland. Edited by Brownland. Big up yourself. Co-director, Curtis Lee Myrie. Yes, produced by Countree Entertainment. You don't know. Producer, Countree. Big up on yourself. I like to give credit where credit is due. Me not digital, me on the floor. But you know, I have to give credit where credit is due. Big up the G them. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Everybody make it happen. You see me? Yes. It's an Eddy G classic. It's an Eddy G classic, bro. It's Eddy G. That's what Eddy G does. Eddy G sing offbeat, but it sound good same way. That's Eddy G. You see me? Yeah. Eddy G, I do him think about all the young artists them. And one thing I like is the unity between the young artists them. If you see them are appearing at each other video, them par genuinely outside after music videos, them par. You see me? So even the line where I say Valiant pre, me sure it's just music. There's no pre-meant to go on this, so unless there's something going on that I don't know about, which I doubt it. It's just music for them. You understand? I just put it in the song. I just saw. You see me? Them young artists are not pre each other like that, bro. If them do it, we don't know where they're outside looking in. We don't know. We can't know. So big up the G them. Big up the young artists and we do it. Eddy G, big up yourself, G. You see me? Countree hype! Yeah, man, bro, now big up yourself. Yeah, big up on yourself. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, though. And I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm a son vice of the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.